Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you the theme and summary of the story Fair Play by Munshi Premchand. Jumman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. Both were respected in their village. Jumman had an aunt who gave her property to him, thinking he would look after her. This worked well for few years, but later the situation changed. Jumman and his family became indifferent to her. His aunt tolerated this insult for few months. She asked for a monthly allowance so that she could have her own kitchen. But then what happened? Jumman did not agree to her demand, and this made his aunt very angry. She decided to take her case to the village panchayat. The old lady took advice of other villagers. Some people sympathized with her, others laughed at her, and a few others advised her to make it up with her nephew and his wife. The lady came to Algu Chaudhary and sought his help. He said he could not go against his best friend. The lady invited him to the panchayat. The panchayat was held under an old banyan tree. The old lady nominated Algu as the head panch to give verdict in the case. The old lady explained her case. Algu asked Jumman to give version of the case. Then what happened? Jumman said his aunt gave her property 3 years back. I promised to support her as long as she lived. There have been a couple of quarrels between his wife and his aunt. It is not possible for him to give her a monthly allowance. Jumman was cross-examined by Algu and others. Algu later announced that Jumman must pay his aunt a monthly allowance, or else the property will go to her. Jumman became Algu's enemy. Now the story moves. Then what happens? Once what happened? One of Algu's pair of bullocks died and he sold the other to Samjhu Sahu. He was a cart driver of the village. Sahu was supposed to pay the price of the bullock in a month's time, but the bullock died within a month. Algu wanted his money from Sahu, but he got very annoyed and angry. Sahu refused to pay his money and told Algu to use his bullock for a month and then return it. Algu decided to refer the case to the panchayat. Now what happened then? The panchayat was held and Sahu was told to nominate the head panch. Sahu proposed the name of Jumman. Algu turned pale. Jumman became the head panch and realized his responsibility as a judge and importance of his office. He thought not to allow his personal feelings to come in the way of doing justice. Both Algu and Sahu gave their version of the case. They were cross-examined. Jumman announced that Sahu should pay Algu the price of the bullock because it was healthy at the time of sale. Algu cannot be blamed for the death of the bullock. Algu appreciated the judgment. Jumman came to Algu and embraced him. Jumman said he has realized the importance of being a Panch. A Panch has neither friend nor enemy. He knows only justice. One should not deviate from the path of justice and truth.